Welcome back to HaryPhamDev channel. My name is Hari. Today in this video, I will show you the demo of the login, register components, and how to set up them from my GitHub page. Let's get started now. Here is the login screen. If I redirect to the home page, it's gonna redirect back to the login page because we are not logged in. If I try to log in with an email that doesn't exist, we'll get a flash message error at the top, or if I try to log in with a real email but I enter the wrong password, we get a flash message error as well. This time, I will log in with my account, then press enter. It's gonna redirect to the home page, a simple page with the full name of the account that logged in and a logout button. If I redirect to the login page, it will redirect me back to the home page because I already logged in, unless I click the logout button. I want to register an account, so I click on create a new account. This is the register screen. To create a new account, I need to fill out the full name, email, password, and confirmation password. We also check to see if the information entered is valid or not. If I create a successful account, I will redirect to the login page. Log in with the account that I just created, and here it is. So how to install this project from my GitHub page? Step 1. Clone this project from my GitHub page. I will put the link to my GitHub page in the description of this video. Open the folder you want to save the project. Right-click, git patch, git clone the link to my GitHub page. Wait a few minutes for the process to complete. Open the project with your IDE. For me, I use WebStorm IDE. Step 2. Create the database. Open MySQL. Click on Local Instance. Right-click to create a new schema. My database. Click on Apply. Apply, then Finish. Next, we need to create a users table. Click on your schema. Create a new table. I will set 4 fields for this table. The first is the ID. It is primary key, not null, honor increase. The next is the full name fields, then email and password. Step 3. Create .env file as the root folder. Copy the .env example file, change the name to .env. Step 4. Run npm install command to install all packages in the package.json file. Step 5. Run npm start command to run our project. To test our project, go into localhost 8080. Because we're not logged in, so we can't visit the homepage, let's create a new account and log in to our page. That's it. Thanks for watching my video.